I still remember my very first day in telesales, and I was absolutely terrified. My hands were shaking and I didn't know what to say, and I had no idea how to build a relationship with the person on the other end of the phone. Honestly, I wondered whether I'd made a huge mistake. I'm Joanna Slater, and fast forward 25 years, telephone sales has given me a career I never imagined. I've made every mistake possible, heard thousands of objections, and faced more rejection than I can count. But slowly I learnt what actually works. I've also had the privilege of helping and training hundreds of people, writing my own book and creating an online course to help others become more confident and successful over the phone. So that's why I started this channel. Believe me, I have been exactly where you are. Every week on Wednesdays, I will publish and focus on one topic and give you 5 practical tips you can start using immediately, all in under 10 minutes, to help you become more confident, overcome objections, build better rapport, and become more successful selling over the phone. I wasn't born a top salesperson. I learnt, I practiced, and I made mistakes. And if I can do it, so can you. So this channel is designed to take you step by step through the skills that have helped me sell successfully over the phone for more than 25 years. So let's start with week 1, overcoming the fear of cold calling of my telephone selling techniques training series. I used to sit staring at the phone, finding every excuse not to dial, make a coffee, check my notes, do everything except make the call. And if that sounds familiar, week 1 is for you. I'll show you exactly how I overcame that fear and built my confidence one call at a time, which is now available here. So let's begin this wonderful journey together. I'm Joanna Slater. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.